Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of malware. We often hear terms like viruses and spyware. But did you know there are actually several types of malware, each with unique methods and dangerous effects? In this video, we'll explore the different types of malware, how they operate, and what you can do to protect yourself. So let's get started. Malware, short for malicious software, is any software designed to harm or exploit any device, service, or network. It's a blanket term covering a variety of threats that aim to steal data, disrupt operations, or simply cause chaos. Knowing the different types of malware can help you recognize potential threats and take the right steps to secure your devices. First, let's talk about viruses. Often confused with other types of malware, a virus attaches itself to a legitimate program or file and spreads when the infected program is executed. Viruses can delete files, corrupt data, or even make entire systems unusable. They're designed to spread from device to device, which makes them highly disruptive. Prevention includes using trusted antivirus software and avoiding downloads from unverified sources. Unlike viruses, worms don't need human interaction to spread. Worms can replicate themselves and move across networks, infecting every connected device. They often exploit security holes in operating systems or applications to spread automatically. Worms can quickly overwhelm networks, slow down systems, and even delete or corrupt data. Regular updates and patches for your OS and apps are crucial to prevent worm infections. Named after the infamous Trojan horse, Trojans disguise themselves as legitimate software. They trick users into installing them, usually by pretending to be something useful, like a software update or a free game. Once installed, they create a backdoor that allows attackers to access the system, steal sensitive data, or even control the device remotely. To avoid Trojans, always download software from trusted sources and be cautious with unexpected attachments. Ransomware is one of the most dangerous types of malware. It locks or encrypts your files, demanding a ransom for their release. Ransomware attacks can be devastating, especially for businesses and individuals with sensitive data. Unfortunately, paying the ransom doesn't guarantee data recovery, and it often encourages further attacks. Regular backups and strong security practices are essential in defending against ransomware. Spyware is designed to secretly monitor your activities. It can track keystrokes, capture screenshots, and even monitor your browsing habits, often without the user's knowledge. Spyware is frequently used to steal passwords, credit card details, and other personal information. Anti-spyware tools and careful monitoring of apps and permissions can help keep spyware off your device. Adware is less harmful than some other types of malware, but it can be highly annoying. It bombards users with excessive advertisements, often redirecting them to unwanted sites. While some adware is simply bothersome, certain types can also track your browsing habits or install additional malware. A good ad blocker and regular system scans can help prevent adware issues. Rootkits allow attackers to gain administrative-level access to your system, often remaining undetected. Rootkits hide deep within the system, making them difficult to detect and remove. They're dangerous because they allow hackers to remotely control the device and perform malicious actions. Advanced security tools and a regular system check can help detect and prevent rootkits. Finally, bots are a type of malware that can turn your device into part of a larger botnet, a network of infected devices used to perform coordinated attacks, often without the user's knowledge. These botnets are often used in DDoS attacks or for sending spam. Strong passwords, firewalls, and regular scans can help prevent your device from becoming a bot. Knowing the different types of malware and how they operate is your first step toward effective protection. To keep your devices safe, always use trusted antivirus software, update your system regularly, and avoid suspicious links and downloads. Each type of malware has its own risks, but with a proactive approach, you can protect yourself and your data. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on cybersecurity and digital safety. Stay safe online.